Hello, respected sirs. I am recording this particular video for my project work, and based on that only I have written an article. And based on the reviewer feedback, I need to get the some evaluation, expert evaluation feedback from you. So based on that only requirement, I'm recording this what I have done in my PG or project work, and based on that only I have written my all the this research paper. So I need your support. You just to go through this entire video. I will explain what I have done. Though it is a 1.5 years of my hard work which I have done through the Python Django framework and generative AI I have used in that many things I have added, like for example personalization, gamifications, real-time interaction and their feedback mechanism, hint, and apart from that I can say I have used so many I mean log file, I mean log I have taken to count the latency and throughput, means the performance of my project work, along with in-memory technology I have used. Although I have given the plugins for the dwith.sql 3, and I have stored the data in the NoSQL format, so things are there, right? And my main project is ALS PG project, right? In these two major parts are there. ALS V2, this is containing my application level of work. For example, ASGI.py, which is containing the Django setting module for the particular environment which I am going to develop. Then setting.py, where I have given the base directory path and security key. This is security key, and the installed apps. This I have added core, which I have used here. Middlewares, these middlewares wares I have used, and templates, and at the end I will say uh, I have used my secret key also from ChatGPT. This is what the generative AI LLM model which I have added. Whining I have done, and WSGI.py have used for the module level of application development, right? In core part, I have statics where JavaScript, templates, that HTML, many front end I have developed HTML and Tailwind CSS. Then custom tags I have taken, where I have defined my custom tags. So these are the custom tags I have defined. And this is the entire project completely Django, based on Django framework and REST API, and with the help of Python, and I can say machine learning algorithm. The algorithm I have used Q-learning algorithm, and admin.py. You can see the all the conditions I have defined with respect to modules. Okay, so these are things are there. After that, AI engine, and this is my again secret key for the chat GPT, which I have given OpenAI.api.key, and for that I have imported OpenAPI, right? OpenAI, and I have given Q-learning algorithm formula and everything I have set here. I have created tables, how to count the accuracy, reward, everything. I mean, the project requirement, what is there? Project title is adaptive learning system uh, with the personalization and gamified real-time interaction. In that, I have used these things, and very critical combination and modules I added with the help of Q-learning algorithms. Then feedback mechanism. Then this is the app, and forms. Okay, forms which I have used, sign up form, login forms, like that. And the latency for that I have written this code, and I'm counting these things. You can observe here. For every single uh, hit on my this interface, it will count, right? 6,377, where I'm doing what I'm doing, everything is getting counted in the log file that I can download in the comma separated file later, and later on I can use for the analysis purpose, where I have counted the latency, throughput, okay, and everything. It is defined in matrix.py and the engine.py, and everything wired up properly. The matrices I have defined, you can see here, which I was telling. So every formula, everything I have given. Then models.py, this is the model.py I have used. Then wiring I have done through these views around, you can observe here, 2300 above lines of code I have written. Many things I have done in that. It took 1.5 years, and in that I have published one of a review paper on this only. So I took 6 months to plan this project work. I given overnight of my efforts. Then manage.py. This is the code for the manage.py, and this is the entirely I have done. Now let me run it so that I can show my outcome, which is happening here on my local system. Everything I have done on my local system tested itself here only. It is working perfectly. So to run it, I need to give the command like python manage dot py and then run server. After this command, I will get my local system uh, link. So you can see here successfully it is executed Django version 5.1.4, and this I will open, this I will show. So allow me some time so that I can show it. Uh, it is now running on my local system. So let me share again this file, which is the output of after execution. So you can observe here this visible particular part is I can say the outcome. This is the front page where I have given for sign up for the educator and for the learners. Mentor I have given for educator, novice I have given for learners. And here, I mean, just a front end I have prepared. Okay, login option I have given, and down to that, you can also again do the login. If you want to do the sign up, I mean, you're a new user, you can do the sign up. You can select here which role you are going to do the sign up on all the validation I have used, even advanced validation and Django admin, even I have used. So things are there, sir. So what I'm telling here. Uh, for your just kind review, I'm just shooting this. And since I have done already registration and all with the validation, so based on that only, I have added multiple users to test purpose only. So I will take only one user. This is first I will take the educator part, right? So that I can show the how the quizzes are getting created through the manually and auto GPT everything, and I have given all the validated passwords. It's a complete security proof application. Now I landed to the mentor page, means educator page. Now you see the latency and throughput, it is getting counted, and this will be dynamically get changed as per my shuffling of work, right? And previous 10 latency and throughput logs will get count here and will come here so that we can see what is the performance of my system. And here, as I mentioned, multiple learners I have added. In that one, I have selected. I will work for this only learner. So for this learner, as educator, I will assign quiz. You see here retention. I mean, because as of now, no learners has taken any of a quiz, so it is coming zero. But retention, I have taken cut-off part 50%. After that, if learners are coming frequently, this will increase. So from here, you can create the quiz. If I will click on this, see quiz creation and manually everything I have to create. Give the question four options, correct answers, difficulty level, everything. I can set it. Even here also I have given for if you want to create the through chat GPT, I mean GPT through Gen AI questions, you have to select the area and the difficulty level. It will automatically create through the GPT. And these are the samples I have, I mean, saved. Already multiple question I have saved. This will go and store into the NoSQL format also. Similarly, if you want to create through GPT, same page landing is there, and through here and through this you can create it. Only have to get the subject and you have to select the difficulty level and you have to click here. It will create. Right down you can observe here it is created. It is created. So this is even you can manipulate it. So this is how it is working. And for this purpose only secret key I have given so that ChatGPT will do according to my requirement. And you can observe here this is changing. And this is, I'm telling you, when I have counted this particular latency and throughput as a performance analysis for my project work, surprisingly, I got a very good response than all my literature work. And here is the leaderboard. If any students are working the same time, at the same time, it will come here as per their performance. So leaderboard is there. And this is what the one of the gamification. And since I don't have any quiz, so that's why this data is not coming here. So what I will do, I will go back. And even the graphs are ideal because I did not take no live submissions are there, no notifications are there. Everything, once you will do the quiz, it will come there. So let me take you on the novice part, I mean learner part. So I will do the login for the learner as the business user only I selected. So I will go for this as a learner and then I will give the passwords. Okay. So I landed to the learner part. Here learner can take the quiz. After quiz, he can see the his analysis as per Q learning algorithm in the Q table. Feedback will come, what performance he is doing. You can download this all, everything I have given. So let me take a quiz. So this type of quiz will come. I mean, randomly, I will put the here timer and everything. I have set four options and difficulty I have set 50, but it will decrease and increase based on his attempts and level of questions, medium of question, what topic I have chosen, even multiple topic I can add here. So many things are there. Even content plugins are there I can add. For example, Python library widely used to manipulate analysis to the tabular data, matplotlib. Maybe it is correct answer. Okay. No, it is not correct. So it will give the hint also which is the programming level. Let's say Python is a programming. Uh, why it is coming error? Because some answers I have given wrong only. Let's say this is Tokyo. If I will click, it will come yes, Tokyo is correct. Then again, this is the repetition of questions since I made wrong. So it's adaptive learning, no? So based on the user input only, it will give the question dynamically until you are not perfect, it will not go for further. I mean, it will force you based on the user attempt only. This is what the basic algorithm it is, a q-learning algorithm. uh, so you see, it is telling Panda. I mean, like that, routers and computer network. I'm simply just clicking on whether it is correct or not. That is depends which answer I have set. Python is the interpreted language. Okay, let me click on yes. I mean, randomly. Now you see, Delhi is the capital of India. Yes, absolutely. Then these things. I mean, I don't know. I'm just clicking randomly the answers. Was the pipe Vito van Rossum and capital of France, Paris, like that. You see, out of 39 questions I have solved, out some 13 questions are there. My points are this, and this all I have coded in the my AI.engine. Badge I did not get some certain criteria. I have to qualify to get the badge also. It's a first history. I can download the report to PDF form. See, for first attempt, it is showing the graph also how many correct, how many wrong, and what is current point and everything. So if you go give the multiple quiz, it will attempt one, attempt two, likewise it will come here and the different graph will come and here also some comparative graph will generate. Right. Here I'm just showing the idea what I have done for the adaptive quiz. And again, if I will attempt the quiz, let me take one more attempt. It will change the questions. Let me take some wrong attempts. It will change the questions order and everything. Okay, it will not come in the same order the way I have attempted. I mean, it's what called as adaptive learning. Since I have very limited questions, so that's why it is coming like that. We close this. Okay, okay. So randomly, I'm just clicking what is correct, what is not. I don't know. Simply, I'm clicking. If performance is poor, then automatically it will get. I mean, change. Last time what you have done. If correct, it will increase. Understood? So it depends. So this time out of 13.7 question correct. And now my point is this: no batch and streak is true. Everything is getting counted. Now you see double graph, the comparison between the attempts. Everything is coming. Go to dashboard and you can see the learning stats. Okay, continuous 2 days, 2 times I have attempted and this much point, and this is what giving quiz score, retention, engagement, and overall mastery. Everything I have fitted as a formula through the this one Q learning. Here you see because of my consistency 0.72 as a medium mastery level, and you can see here medium it is coming, and this is what the Q value trained. Okay, what I'm doing here. Here I can download these all things. Now let me take you on again the educator part and see the what happened there live. Everything getting updated there so that educator can track the performance of the learners. You see latency, throughput, and this what now I'm doing. You see the current system time it is coming, throughput, latency that is coming, that I will use to analyze this novice I have selected, their average retention this much of the questions. And since he is doing continuous 100% engagement also, you see here attempts, the graphs, everything is coming. Okay, you see here everything is coming, and the two quizzes I have taken, this one is coming. Then leaderboard is getting generated. You see only one person has taken two attempts, so that the only leader is coming. Now let me take you on the back, and I'm taking you on the advanced graph which I have created. You see the graph here, Q learning algorithm analyzed, and everything I have set right. So average score correct, so percentage wrong, trend is -2 because it is decreasing, right? So you see here in this graph, everything attempts, minimum 3 attempt is required to get the proper trend. So you see what would be the expected, but what is happening here. So adaptiveness, personalization, and gamifications, and real-time interaction and their feedback, everything is coming. You see here comparison, how many type of questions I have solved. This is radar graph. You see difficulty mastery, it is here, right? And the trend, and this I need to work, but still I have done few work. Okay, this is how the graphical representation he can see and download, he or she. So this is what my project work I have done. So I can assure that what I have done, the adaptive driven and AI driven adaptive learning system with personalized gamified real time engagement work, that is completely integrating Q learning and generative AI personalized and real time feedback. So based on that only I have given in my paper what I have done. For that reason only your review is required. Please, I will attach these things with my link. I mean the Google form. Please review me to me so that I can use that review for my expert evaluation in my research paper. For this only I have shooted this video. Please go through and help me out to proceed with my research article. Thank you so much.